Alright guys, welcome back to the Crypto Boys. I am not live, clearly, because you are watching this video right now. Unfortunately, couldn't go live, wasn't in the cards, is what it is, but I did just get done with the run because it has been 75 and 80 degrees here in Iowa, which is completely rare here in the Midwest right now. Is what it is. Thanks for joining. Anyways, some stuff to talk about here. Number one, Bitcoin. Where is it at? It is still above $30,000. Turmoil in the market, potentially recession, even though officially I thought we were in a recession a couple months ago, last year, but coming out saying, yeah, the CPI data, we're still, the inflation's still high. It's 5%, which probably means it's like 7.5%, 8%, which is terrible regardless. Still really, really bad. Unless you had a 5% raise last year, you're losing money every single second that your money's sitting in the bank. But Bitcoin is still going up. Bitcoin is, fortunately for us, a hedge against inflation at this point. So is Ethereum, actually. Ethereum and its upgrade. I was calling that it was going to tank, absolutely tank, after everyone was unstaked. Now, what I will say is I'm not completely wrong just yet. Did it go down in price? Actually, no. It went up and it's trading over 2K right now. So, awesome news for people holding Ethereum. The thing that I will say, though, is a lot of people are still waiting to get their ETH unstaked. So they have put in their request to unstake on Coinbase and other exchanges and things like that. They are still waiting to get it unstaked. It is not official yet. They don't officially all have it. There could be more selling pressure, but I think the biggest thing, and you guys correct me if I'm wrong, what do you guys think? The biggest thing is that if you have been holding ETH for over 2 years, you probably know your worth. You probably know Ethereum's worth. You probably know what it is going to entail in the future. You probably know that people are going to be using blockchain technology within the next 5 to 10 years. It's inevitable. So, ETH bullish right now. Absolutely bullish with what just happened. Now, could it be inflated by people? Big people that have a lot of Ethereum trying to hold up the price to be like, oh, okay, people aren't going to sell, and then people are going to sell. I don't know. Maybe in the next couple days, we shall see as things start to shake out a little bit. But what I will say, if you are a trader, you've noticed that the RSI on Ethereum is the highest it's been in a long time. It's over 70 right now. So please be careful. Typically over 70, meaning that it is overbought big time, meaning that price might go down a little bit, but it's got to go down to come back up, right? Let's go, people. We got to get back to all-time highs. Speaking of all-time highs, 45K for Bitcoin is on the table. It has been on the table. I have been talking about this for months, and man, it's going to feel so good when I call this one. You guys already know, if you're sticking around with the Crypto Boys, smash the like button. We'd appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Why would you not? Join us for more fun. But you know that 45K is certainly on the table, so stick around for that fun. Now, two other things. The last two things we got to talk about today. Unbelievable. First off, Bitboy. Bitboy has gone on tangents, rants, lawsuits, this and that. He's in another lawsuit. $1 billion. He is named as one of the people that were pumping up FTX, which I'll be honest, I'm on his side. He was not. He was saying, and I don't know if he got paid or not, he was saying that FTT token was going to be one that he wanted to hold long term. This is, I don't know, a year and a half. This is before the collapse of FTX. So I will say he did say that that was one big thing, one big bag that he was going to hold. Whether he was paid or not for it, I will never know as the Crypto Boys. But he's being sued, and the lawyer coming after him for FTX is saying he's fearful of his life. Bitboy is sending him death threats. I will say, to support Bitboy, he did put out a pretty nice tweet of people lost all of their life savings, all of their money, everything, all of their livelihood, because of FTX, and now they're coming after him. Kind of silly for $1 billion lawsuit. Either way, guys, that is the big thing. And speaking of FTX, this is the last point here, is that FTT token, if you guys are paying attention the last couple days, it pumped over 70%. Why did that happen? Well, I tell you what, FTX has come out to say that they might do a reboot. A reboot. Are you kidding me? FTX exchange should never be a thing again. Sam Bankman-Fried should never be in charge of anything again. Anything that touches FTX should never be a thing again. If this is, I will never put a single dollar on there, and I hope that you guys don't as well. I mean, you have to have a short memory to be a good athlete, to be a good friend. You got, hey, something, things happen, is what it is. We'll move on. Stuff like this, you can't have a short memory on. You have to remember this forever so that you don't lose all of your investments, all of your crypto, everything that you've worked so hard for. So please, 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 if FTX reboots, tell your friends. Hide the kids, hide the wife. Do not put money on FTX. Why would you do that? If you want to lose all your money, that's fine. Go ahead. We are telling you not to do that. But that is it for today, guys. Thank you for joining the absolute fittest crypto channel on YouTube, and we will see you guys soon.